So you've decided you want to come to Australia for a working holiday. Well, mate, there's a few things you should know before you head down under. Once you've got your visa sorted, download the Travel Smart app. As your one-stop shop for safe travel advice and information, it's handier than having maple syrup at a pancake party. You should also register as a Canadian abroad. This way, the consular section will be able to reach you in case of any emergency. And it'll be easy for you to rock on and enjoy your stay. If anything does happen while you're on holiday, you'll want to ensure that you have comprehensive insurance coverage, because without it, you're skating on thin ice. Be mindful of local regulations on bringing prescription medication, food, plants, and other items into Australia. If you're unsure of any items, it's best to declare it, as the penalty for the importation of illegal substances is strict. Now to the working part of your working holiday. There are plenty of options available, especially if you're not ready to be a crocodile handler just yet. To find work in an office or a specialized trade, try contacting a recruitment agency, or hop online to job search websites like the Canadian-Australian Chamber of Commerce's Working Holiday Job Bank. Do your homework. Make sure the companies you apply to are true blue, and always keep a written copy of your contract and payslips. You can find information about your working conditions and workplace rights on the Fair Work Ombudsman website. Once you realize Australia isn't full of drop bears, you might want to stay a bit longer. If you spend 3 months working in a regional location in certain industries, you may be eligible for another year of a working holiday visa. The minimum wage is higher in Australia than it is at home, so you're likely to be earning more. But budget carefully, as some items can be 10 to 50% more expensive. As an Australian employee, a sum will also be deducted from your paycheck to pay tax and contribute to your superannuation, like a retirement savings fund. While Aussies are a friendly and welcoming bunch, there are still some safety issues to keep in mind. Calling 911 will get you nowhere. If you need emergency services, call 000 instead. Remember that cars drive on the opposite side of the road. Go against all your natural instincts when crossing and look right first instead of left. When you're at the beach, stay safe. For those who enjoy the nightlife, the legal drinking age in Australia is 18. You can apply for a proof of age card or ID to get into any clubs or bars, leaving your passport safe at home. Don't forget to organize safe transport to and from the venue. At the end of the day, the best bit of a working holiday is the travel. Head to the Tourism Australia website for great travel advice. Email us to receive more tips and score invites to social events. You'll be as happy as a kangaroo in the outback.